Hey guys, today I'm doing an unboxing of this ping pong table I bought off Walmart, and I paid about, I believe, 120 for this. It's slightly smaller than the standard table tennis table. This is by MD Sports. So let's go ahead and do the unboxing and let's see how it is. Okay guys, so I've opened the box and wasn't expecting those two ping pong balls and the ping pong rackets to come with it, so that's a good sign. So let's see what's in those small boxes and how we can put the legs on it. Hey guys, so just finished assembling it. Looks pretty good, pretty steady. You can fold it. There are locks under there, so once you fold it you can lock it as well. And there are 4 wheels, you can see. So once you fold it, you can actually move it around with those wheels. Overall, in the price, I believe it's a really good deal. I do see some scratches on the surface, probably you know, while delivering these scratches happen. But overall, there are actually 4 pieces, 1 2 3 4, that you connect these with 4 screws in the middle. So I was concerned of the spacing in the middle, because I do see a little bit of void between the 2 pieces. Same this for and same for those, but for for playing purposes, they don't matter. They don't do anything. Since it folds, I believe that's why it has a little bit of spacing in the middle, so which actually gets covered with the net. So to fold, I believe you just take these out and then he folded. I had it folded. I just unfolded it and played one game. So yeah, pretty happy with the price that I paid in the fast delivery. It took some time to assemble. There were a lot of pieces. It took me a good amount of an hour, but I'm happy with the purchase. So yeah, pretty good in the price. All right guys, that's about it. Thank you.